Hey everyone, it's Amanda with Social Speak Network. I just wanted to go a little bit more in depth about the Instagram stories and how important it is to actually create a super engaging environment on social media, specifically Instagram, when I think it's very underutilized for the engaging environment. So normally when people think of for Instagram is just a bunch of photos with maybe some hashtags and like a quick little blurb on what the photo is about. So the cool part is Instagram is no more just the photos. They have really stepped up in terms of creating engaging environments with the tools that I mentioned in my blog, such as poll, swipe up feature, countdowns, and all of that. So even in the content area, you still have the hashtags and the @ tags to where you can bring in other accounts, give shout outs to people, and then connect to other different accounts through your hashtags. So basically for engaging environments, to me, on Instagram, when I'm scrolling through, yes, the pictures are nice. I feel like I'm kind of in their world for a quick second when I'm looking at the pictures, but it's truly the Instagram stories when I feel like they're talking to me, they're taking me through their day. It could be something as simple as, going for a walk and I'm seeing the walk through their point of view. It's pretty engaging. I feel like I'm there with them. But you can make it so much more, especially in the healthcare and wellness industry. Even if you're doing a quick workout, you can now do a poll and figure out what workouts people want to see, what type of healthcare advice they want. And giving people that voice is something that I think truly makes a difference in just a normal run-of-the-mill Instagram account versus an amazing Instagram account where people are trying to follow you and you're seeing, those 100,000 followers. It really makes the huge difference if I feel like I have a voice in your account and if you are, if I feel like you're talking directly to me. So through poll, I get a say in decision making for you. Maybe through countdowns, you're bringing me, you're bringing that energy to your event or to your next post. And I start to feel excited and I feel like I'm actually in this countdown with you. Through the ask a question, my voice actually gets more than just a quick vote, a decision. It's officially like a genuine question that I have that, might be able to be answered. And especially if you're starting off as a smaller account and you don't have that thousands of followers yet, that's really the time to do those questions and ask questions, because then it's more reasonable for you to actually answer most, if not all, of those questions asked. And I'm telling you, you tagging that person who asked the question, answering them, maybe showing them to another account or a different resource or to your own resources if you have a website or anything. That means a lot to me as a viewer, because now I know you are talking directly to me. I feel like my voice was heard, my question mattered. And maybe that, because I asked a question, now somebody else also feels comfortable enough to ask a question or knows now, like, what you're talking about, and you have just built more trust with myself and maybe other people who have seen it too. And we've all seen it. It happens in classrooms all the time. One person will ask a question and get the ball rolling, and then next thing you know, we have 30, plus questions being asked. So it's never a bad thing. You want people asking questions. You want them engaged in your business, because if they're asking questions, that means they care what you have to say and they care what your answer is. So if they're not asking questions, that's not a good thing. And you might want to revisit on how to make it more engaging and potentially how to direct questions into a topic that people want to hear about or are very interested or curious in. So yeah, just creating that super engaging environment can make the huge difference between how many followers you have and also, whether they're willing to reshare your post and everything, if it's something that they're passionate about, which is another great tool, is doing the repost. So that way they can share your message. You can ask them to share your message. It's a really good networking thing to use. So hope you guys are reading up on the blog. And again, if you have any other tools that you use or any other techniques to create that engaging environment, specifically on Instagram, please let us know. Shoot us an email off of our website or comment below on the video. And yeah, hopefully we will see some really good conversation down there and get some other great ideas. So go check it out, socialspeaknetwork.com, and you guys have a great day. We'll see you later.